In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Excel on laptop or PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is open up your web browser, whichever one you want, and then we're going to go over to setup.office.com. So once you go ahead and go over to that URL, it's going to look something like this, and it's going to show you get started. So what you're going to also need is a product key, but Microsoft does also offer a 1 month free trial. So all you're going to do is enter your product key. So for example, if I go to search, if I type in Excel, it's going to be right there. Once I type in my product key, and then I'm going to be able to download the different applications. So what I can also do is go over to Microsoft Store, like so, and then just go over to the very top, and then I can type in Excel, go over to the application, because maybe I previously uninstalled it, and then it's going to say it's part of Microsoft 365 Personal. So I can go ahead and press install right here as well, or I can select whichever one I want. So if I want to install Excel, I can press this. Now the reason it's grayed out for me is because I already have it installed, but then once you have it installed, all you're going to do is type it in, and you're going to see it right there. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.